Okay, calling case P 1066751, the People versus Deja Journey, count one, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, count two, no insurance. Appearance?
Janecki Nancy appearing on behalf of Miss Journey. Miss Journey, would you please state your name for the record?
Deja Journey.
And then, Your Honor, we also have Officer Baker present.
Bless you. Officer Baker, can you put your name on the record?
Officer Baker, Detroit Police Department, 8th Precinct, -21, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning.
Yeah, today's the date and time set for trial regarding Miss Journey's matter. Your Honor, off the record, I had an opportunity to speak with Officer Baker about the ticket that was issued to Miss Journey, Your Honor, and you did give us an opportunity to do just that. When looking at the ticket that was entered, Your Honor, I also looked at the statute numbers associated with these tickets, that being on the unregistered motor vehicle, MCL 257.215, as well as on the no insurance, MCL 500-3101. Both of these tickets, Your Honor, were issued under the state code. And when looking at the tickets, the statutes in particular, the way that the statutes were written, it required that the vehicle that was ticketed was either being driven or moved up on a highway. After speaking with both Ms. Journey as well as Officer Baker, this ticket was issued when the car was actually parked on the side of a street. No one was in the vehicle. Yeah, and based on that fact, those facts, and looking at the tickets and how they were issued, them and of themselves, at this point, I'm going to ask the court to consider dismissing the case as the tickets were issued incorrectly.
Okay, and it's, we don't have a state prosecutor here to respond, and today is the date set for a trial. That is not Officer Baker's fault. That is not your fault, Attorney Nance. Can you state again, I know for you stated 500.3101. You have a section or the?
So, Your Honor, let me go back to that statute number. On MCL 500-3101, under the code, it's entitled Security for Payment of Benefits Required, period, security required to be in effect, definitions, policy of insurance, or other methods of providing security, filing proof of security. Your Honor, when looking at, let's see. Let me just start from so much. Subsection 1, except as provided in sections 3107D and 3109A, the owner or registrant of a motor vehicle required to be registered in the state shall maintain security for payment of benefits under personal protection insurance and property protection insurance as required under this chapter, and residual liability insurance. Security is only required to be in effect during the period the motor vehicle is driven or moved on a highway. So that was up under subsection 1.
Okay, thank you, Attorney Nance. I just wanted to get that on the record. And I do see that here, so that it is defective on its face, as the face of the ticket states here that the vehicle was parked on a city street with no registration and no insurance.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And that is the same for MCL 257.215.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so I would dismiss those based off of the ticket being defective.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Journey?
Yes.
Your cases have been dismissed. Thank Ms. Nance for doing her legal research on that one for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
Thank you, Officer Baker.
No problem, ma'am. All right, Your Honor. I
Okay.
believe that's the only case I had today.
Yep, it is.
All right, y'all have a great day. Thank you. Be safe.
You too. And let's get you into a breakout room.
Okay.
Hey, Nancy, do you remember the offer that I stated is for 2 improper plates and 2 failure to displays?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Ms. Foster, let's put you to a breakout room, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Nance, give me one, I'm on a call, like, give me 2 minutes, okay?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
Can you give me like 2 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, I can put you on Miss Johnson in the meantime.
Okay.
Hers is for. There's no offer on it, but I'll do it in proper place.
Okay.
Miss Johnson, can you unmute your phone? There we go. So breakout room so you can talk to your attorney, okay?
Okay.
And Attorney Nance, I'm sending you to breakout room 2.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, what we saying? So there's no court order, so. Right. He does this all the time. And then, if you go on what you will, I'm going to show you in the Michigan court rules where it says that at a pretrial, a judge is required to dismiss based off of one in a criminal matter. Because even if you have a civil case and they don't show up for a pretrial. No court order. I'll be back if you, I got my phone on. Yes, Miss Foster?
Yes. Can you hear me?
I sure can. Let me put the video on. Okay, you got a question, Miss Foster?
No.
You just making sure you still in the right place?
Yeah.
You're good. Oh, yeah, no, that was. Okay, no problem. Were you here when I first started in, morning,
Good morning, Your Honor.
and I had that your case? And then motion, the female, he was, he went back and forth and all that stuff. It was a strip club. The strip club. You were here for the whole,
Judge,
everything started?
Please,
Came in, because it was, yeah, it was like, yeah, they had it waiting for that sheet. He just tried to say. They're asking for an offer. That's what, prosecutor? That's what, I asked him twice.
From the, this, may I approach?
Sure.
Yes, they wanted to get, wanted to lay down their house.
Oh, it is all state. You had insurance. I had insurance. Is the person, the defective equipment thing here? This is, leader? Now, file first. You know, hold on 1 second. I gotta do two right here. Okay. But I will address this.
Okay, I'll start.
Okay. All right. Attorney Nance, you ready on Miss, Foster?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Okay, Miss Foster, can you unmute your phone, please? There we
Yes.
go. Okay. The People versus Tracy Foster, calling cases 155-456-781, unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance, count 3, driver's license suspended, U 56015-409, narcotics or drug related violation, 0952811191. Can I read this? Open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a passenger. 104-105-591, no insurance. 104-635-371, no operator's license on person. Strike that. Count 2 will be no insurance. 105-35400, count 1, improper license. Count 2, no insurance. 11423-1131, no operator's license on person. 12446-1331, no operator's license on person. 134179001, improper license. 134179002, no insurance. Appearance.
Janeki Nancy appearing on behalf of Ms. Foster. Ms. Foster, would you please state your name for the record?
My name is Tracy Lavette Foster.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Therefore, we ask that any cases be set aside, any warrants recalled pertaining to her matters.
Okay, I will set aside all 14 warrants, Ms. Foster.
Uh-huh.
Your Honor, Ms. Foster and I, we've had an opportunity to speak regarding the matter. At this time, Ms. Foster would like to tender a plea of guilty and accept the recommendations that have been provided to her.
Okay, Ms. Foster, as we discussed briefly, the offer here is for you to plead guilty to 4 counts with the other 10 to be dismissed. And it'll be for 2 counts of improper plate and 2 counts of failure to display a valid operator's license. Is correct? You're going to take that offer?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Nance, about your rights today?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
And Ms. Foster, you can put your hand down.
Okay.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to August 9th, 2015, around 4:20 p.m. in the area of Warren and the Lodge Freeway in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 1994 Chrysler red vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes.
Also, did you have a valid driver's license?
No.
Satisfied.
I am as well. Actually, that'll satisfy 3 of the counts.
Okay.
And the 4th count on case 1341790, I am dismissing that one because of the age of the ticket. It's over
Thank
7
you.
years. So really, Ms. Foster, you just pleaded guilty to 3 counts, okay?
Yes.
That's a pretty good deal today.
So how do I go about paying it?
One second, Ms. Foster. 1 second. 1 second. Hold on.
So is there stipulation of probable cause for the dismissed counts?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay. So now, Ms. Foster, we get to the payment part. So what I'm doing, due to the pandemic, I am waiving everyone's fines and costs right now. So you don't have to pay anything to the court. You would have had to pay thousands of dollars, possibly. Well, actually, it would have been more like $1,000. But I'm going to waive that for you. But you still have to take care of your reinstatement fees with the Secretary of State. I can't waive those, okay?
Your
Okay.
Honor, ask this on Ms. Foster's behalf. Ms. Foster did happen to post a bond. As it relates to the reinstatement fees, she personally posted. Is that correct, Ms. Foster?
Yes.
I'm going to ask that the reinstatement fees be taken out of her bond. Is that okay, Ms. Foster? So that way you begin to get your life started back up?
Yes. That's
And then
what I
the
want.
remaining balance she has, Your Honor, that could be refunded to her.
Okay, how much did you post, Ms. Foster?
1,400.
That might take care of everything. Pretty sure it will. So whatever's left, we'll have it sent back to you, and we'll apply your bond to your reinstatement fees. So give it to the end of the day. It's gonna take a long time. We gotta take your warrants off, then we have to waive your fines and costs, and then we have to apply your bond, okay? So the clerk's gonna be pretty long to do that, okay?
All right.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
Okay, you are all set. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You as well.
Thank you. I'm glad she got all that taken care of.
Mhm.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, the last one. Are we ready to call Ms. Johnson's case?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Okay, calling case P 863991, the people versus Angela Denise Johnson. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance. Appearance?
Janecki Nancy appearing on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, would you please state your name for the record?
Angela Denise Johnson.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench for. We ask any case to be set aside, any warrants recalled.
Okay,
Your Honor, after speaking with Ms. Johnson has indicated she'd like to tender a plea of guilty and accept the recommendation that has been presented. Is that correct, Ms. Johnson?
Yes,
okay, Ms. Johnson, just to be clear, the recommendation is for you to plead guilty to an amended charge, a 0-point offense of improper plates with the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive count to be dismissed. Is that your understanding?
yes,
Okay, you want to take that offer, correct?
yes, correct.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Nance, about your rights and your cases today?
yes,
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
no,
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
yes,
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
yes,
You understand, Ms. Johnson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
yes,
And knowing that, you wish to continue and plead guilty?
yes,
Thank you.
I'd like to bring your attention to May 17th, 2018, around 7:15 p.m. in the area of Gratiot and Jane in the city of Detroit. Was that the vehicle, a 2008 Pontiac black vehicle registered to your name?
yes,
Okay, did you have insurance on the vehicle at the time?
no,
Set aside, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make the amendment to improper places we discussed and dismiss count 1 as their stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated.
Okay, I'll waive your fines and costs, Ms. Johnson. You don't have to pay anything today due to the pandemic. Is there anything else for sentencing purposes?
Yes, Your Honor, she did have a $408. We're asking that be refunded.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, I don't want you to give me your full address, but are you still in Hamtramck?
yes.
Okay, so I'll have it returned to that address. It may take up
that-
to 8 weeks, okay?
How do I go about changing that address?
So that you can get it sent somewhere else?
Yeah, no, because I no longer stay there.
Okay, so,
Your Honor, if you want to send me into the breakout room with her again, I can get the address and provide it to the court.
okay. Ms. Johnson, do you see at the bottom of your phone to go back into the breakout room? It's not.
Yes,
Okay, go back in there and let Attorney Nance know your address, and she'll provide it to the court without having to go public over the air with your address, okay?
It says join breakout room, Ms. Johnson. Hit where it says join breakout room.
I think your phone is frozen. There we go.